Hey, what's up everyone? So welcome back to another video. So today we are actually in the mountains in a province called Chiang. We were just there for a New Year's, but for today's video we are planning to check out a skywalk over here. It's about like an hour out of this town, and then after that we're gonna head over to the Golden Triangle to maybe spend a little bit more time there. And then final destination will be the Tamron cave. A lot of you guys may know that it's the rescue cave where they rescue the 13 boys. So it's gonna be interesting, but today's weather is pretty cloudy. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see that mountain where they said that it's kind of shaped like a lame woman. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Thailand, of course.
Oh, duh.
And then right here is the Mekong River, and the other side is Laos. You can't even tell that it's Laos.
It's crazy.
It just looks like Thailand, but the other side is actually Laos. Huh?
Yeah, I didn't realize how close we were. So I just broke my helmet.
Let's go.
No. It's going to cost us like 500 baht for a new helmet. So we made it to our first destination.
After 1 hour and a half of driving, felt like that took forever. But we are currently over here at the Skywalk. We just got our ticket. It's 30 baht per person. I'm not sure how the view is going to be because
it's our first time here.
First time here, and a lot of people are already starting to burn like their fuel, so it's kind of smoky in here.
Oh yeah.
So we might not be able to see a lot of stuff, but we're just gonna go check it out since it's on the way to the Golden Triangle and the cave. Whew. We just got here and look at this. This is the line to come back down. Everyone is waiting for this truck to take them down.
What's wrong?
So that ticket earlier that we bought, it was just for the truck ride, and you have to pay an extra 40 baht to go on the glass bridge.
They want your money.
We are here. Skywalk. Is it a skywalk? Is it a glass bridge?
Yeah. Oh, look at the girl in front of me. She's hella scared.
I think this is nothing compared to the King of Power that we did in Bangkok. That was in at least like 75
but that
floors
was
up.
more expensive.
Yeah, but I think that experience is a lot better than here. But it's also nice to come over here and check out the scenery over here. And just take a look. All right, and as you guys can see, a lot of smokes. You can't really see the mountains. And here's the Mekong River. What do you think of this place?
Yeah, I think it's worth it because there's no foreigners. Everyone here is a local.
What are you talking about? There's a lot of like foreigners. I think it's not like Luag. Anyways, if you're over here on this side of Thailand, then yeah, I would say go ahead, check it out. It's about 30 baht to get up here and 40 baht to get on the bridge. So a total of 70 baht. So that's only like almost 30 bucks to get here. So yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. It's just good to come over here just to take a quick photo, enjoy the view for a bit, and head out, because that's what we're doing. We're heading out to the next place. Hey, we just made it to the Golden Triangle. Trying to beat the crowd over there.
There's so much buses.
There's a lot of like tour buses over here. We're gonna go check it out. Let's go. Wow, look at that. Go Buddha. Wow.
So I came all the way over here to find this beautiful triangle, and I'm at the spot. triangle.
This is the triangle.
I mean, it's really nice though.
This is the triangle.
What if it's over there?
Right
Oh
there.
God, I found it.
Yes. Yes, right there. There's your
It's
triangle.
so tiny.
I don't know, it's so tiny. It looks so big in the photo, huh? So here's Thailand, Myanmar, Laos.
Wow.
Again, whoa. Golden Triangle. This was what you were looking for. I think it's pretty crazy to think that, you know, Laos is just right there and Myanmar is just right there. But for some reason, it just looks like everything right here is Thailand. Are you ready to head out to the next place?
Yes, we're going to the cave.
The Tamron cave. It's only a 30-minute drive away from here.
Oh, yay!
Yes, I thought it was gonna be another hour drive, but it's only 30 minutes away. Yeah, you guys gotta be like travelers like us. Get to that point, take pictures, record what you need, and leave.
Yep.
You don't want to spend too much time. If you spend too much time, you're not gonna have enough time for other places that you want to check out.
All in all, đuông đưa nương ơi, khi bao rạc châu.
Hey guys, we made it. First time here, so I don't know what to expect. Right?
Definitely a tourist attraction now.
So how do you feel about being over here at the cave where they did the rescue?
I have chills and goosebumps.
You have chills?
Yeah.
You know, I never thought I would be over here. So this is how the mountain was supposed to look like. We didn't really see this because there was just too much smoke. Like I said before, it's pretty interesting to be over here, to be able to experience this location. Like we only see this in the movies or in the news, right? Where the boys came and prayed to this shrine over here, and then they left their bikes here.
Those are
the air tanks.
and then
And these are the bikes.
kind of lights that were used to, you know, when the divers were swimming, so they could see the line.
All these areas are pretty tight, huh? It's pretty tight.
So it gets blocked off right there. You can't go past that. And we're only right here. So the third chamber is where the water started gushing in and they had to run all the way back. That's pretty far. Historical. It is, huh?
Yeah.
So the story is there's a princess who fell in love with a horseman, and then they had a baby, but she was pregnant, and then he went out to go look for food, and then her father ordered like soldiers to kill him, and so then when she found out, she like committed suicide here.
Let's just say parts of her bodies became the mountain.
Yeah, and then like her crying or the blood that was dripping down when she stabbed herself became the river that flows out.
And how far can we go?
Only to
The first chamber.
the first chamber. So
Anything further than that, they blocked it off.
yeah. So you know what's really crazy? How deep the water was in here. I mean, I can't read Thai, but that's crazy.
จับมือฉันไว้เธอจะไม่เหงายืนหยัดข้างเคียงเธอมีฉันพร้อมเคียงข้างในคืนที่เริ่มหนาวเราจะสิ้นหวังมืดมนหนทางฉันก็ไม่ยอมฉันจะไม่ย